Question 141. How do you handle nullability in Kotlin? In Kotlin, nullability is explicitly defined using the nullable type system. To handle nullability, I use safe calls like an novice operator to prevent null pointer exceptions and ensure safe code execution. Question 142. What are data classes in Kotlin, and when would you use them? Data classes in Kotlin are used to represent immutable data. They automatically generate toString equals hashcode and copy functions. I use data classes when I need to model simple data structures. Question 143. How do you implement coroutines in Kotlin for asynchronous programming? I implement coroutines in Kotlin using suspend functions and the Kotlinks coroutines library. By using coroutines, I can write asynchronous code that is more readable and concise compared to traditional callback-based approaches. Question 144. Can you explain the concept of extension functions in Kotlin? Extension functions in Kotlin allow me to add new functions to existing classes without modifying their source code. This helps in keeping code clean and concise by avoiding unnecessary inheritance or utility classes. Question 145. How would you set up a continuous integration continuous deployment (CI/CD) pipeline for a Kotlin project? To set up a CI/CD pipeline for a Kotlin project, I would use tools like Jenkins, GitLab C, or CircleCI to automate the build, test, and deployment processes. I would configure the pipeline to trigger on code commits and run tests in parallel. Question 146. What tools do you use for debugging Kotlin applications? For debugging Kotlin applications, I primarily use IntelliJ IDEA's built-in debugger. I also leverage tools like Kotlin's logging libraries, breakpoints, and stack traces to identify and resolve issues in the code. Question 147. Can you explain the difference between sealed classes and enums in Kotlin? Sealed classes in Kotlin allow for a restricted hierarchy of classes, while enums are a type-safe way to represent a group of constants. Sealed classes can have multiple instances, whereas enums are limited to a fixed set of values. Question 148. What are delegates in Kotlin, and how do you use them? Delegates in Kotlin allow me to delegate property implementations to another object. By using delegates, I can reuse code, implement lazy initialization, or customize property access without boilerplate code. Question 149. How do you ensure thread safety in Kotlin? To ensure thread safety in Kotlin, I use synchronization mechanisms like synchronized blocks, locks, or atomic variables for shared resources. I also leverage Kotlin's coroutines and channels to handle concurrency in a safe and efficient manner. Question 150. How do you deploy and scale Kotlin applications in the cloud? I deploy and scale Kotlin applications in the cloud using containerization with Docker, orchestration with Kubernetes, and serverless computing with AWS Lambda or Google Cloud Functions. This allows for seamless deployment and auto-scaling based on demand. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like SIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.